RedMagic is stepping up its game, literally, as the brand officially confirms the launch of its next-gen flagship, the RedMagic 10 Air, set to be unveiled on April 16th at 3 p.m. local time, and it's already making waves as the lightest and thinnest full-screen flagship in RedMagic history, making it a game-changer not just in performance, but also in form factor, capturing the attention of the next generation of mobile gamers who demand sleek design without sacrificing power. According to RedMagic CEO and Ife, this isn't just another phone. It's a device crafted for the youth, designed to be both slim and mighty, a perfect balance of minimalism and muscle, and from the official teaser image, it's crystal clear that the RedMagic 10 Air breaks away from its bulkier predecessors like the 10 Pro series, instead embracing a cleaner, lighter silhouette while maintaining a robust metal right-angle mid-frame that screams durability. The back design has been transformed too, ditching the flat layout for a vertically stacked trio of circular camera modules, 2 cameras and a flash, bringing a touch of Samsung-inspired elegance without losing RedMagic's signature style. But with this new aesthetic comes one major change. The cooling fan duct that once defined RedMagic's active cooling tech is nowhere to be seen, at least on the side shown, hinting that this phone might rely on passive cooling for its thermal management. A bold move that aligns with its slimmed-down profile. And even the game space slider, a fan-favorite feature, has evolved into a circular press button instead of a traditional switch, adding to the futuristic, gamer-friendly design overhaul. Under the hood, rumored specs suggest the RedMagic 10 Air will pack the mighty Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, a silky smooth 6.8-inch 1116p BOE true full-screen display, and an enormous 6,000 mAh battery paired with ultra-fast 80W charging, ensuring extended gaming sessions without compromise, while photography fans will love the dual 50MP rear cameras, complemented by a 16MP front shooter, and speculation is running wild about an under-display camera, which would further cement this phone as a boundary pusher in design and tech. Dimension-wise, it measures 164.3 by 76.6 millimeters, with thickness of just 7.85 millimeters and a weight of 205 grams, making it one of the sleekest gaming phones ever to hit the market. And while some hardcore RedMagic fans might miss the aggressive styling and cooling fan of the Pro series, the 10 Air is clearly carving out a new identity, one that blends flagship-level performance with elegant form in a way that appeals to gamers who want style and power in one package. Whether you're grinding ranked matches or binging your favorite series, this phone seems to offer the versatility and endurance modern users crave. And with the April 16th launch date locked in, all eyes are on RedMagic as we wait to see if this bold new direction lives up to hype or even surpasses expectations. So make sure you stay tuned for the official reveal right here on TechVerse.